I need to make something with you. Because then why am I in the video?
But remember what Jocelyn and Joey discussion. Yeah, but then we're gonna have to get more things. We're gonna have to get another one of these.
How about I show up at the end of the video? So you can put it on my shirt.
No.
So I'm just gonna be here watching you?
Yo, I want you to be in my video.
I want to be in your video too, but we gotta do something together.
No, just stay here. It's recording.
Yeah, but you're talking. I'm just here. I don't know.
It recorded everything. We're like getting ready.
I'm gonna delete it. Don't worry.
Okay, delete all the stuff. Hi guys, today we got a special guest, which is Sergey.
Hey everyone.
Today I'm going to be making a bad for her. So what we're going to be needing is paper. I got this feather. My tape is running out, so I got 3 tapes. We need some of this to make it pretty. Where are the markers? Where are the markers?
I don't know. I thought you had everything you
I'm
needed.
gonna go get the markers real quick.
I have no idea where the markers are.
Sergey will talk to you.
Okay. Hey everyone. So I'm really excited about this this craft. She's going to make a badge.
Guys, we forgot the markers, so we'll see how when we're done. We found some dry erase markers. We need markers. We found some dry erase markers and some scissors. What we're gonna be needing first is our dry erase markers, and we're gonna need scissors and the paper right now. What? So guys,
those are beautiful colors. I love that.
So what you're gonna do is just any shape, and I'm gonna do a heart. Draw the heart.
Okay.
Oh, that's very small. Then make it big heart. And then I'm gonna spell mommy. So I'm gonna draw a lot of hearts. Oh, you're also gonna need.
So this is a paper clip.
The paper clip is on my shirt.
This is not a paper clip. This is called something. These are paper clips. These are paper clips. I don't know what this is called.
Comment down below, and since there's so many comments that you know what that thing is.
Yeah, can you guys tell us what is this thing?
I'm drawing different rainbow hearts, guys. And then there you go. That's how you have your heart. That's how with all the rainbow stuff. Can't really see Mom. That says in there. And then I'm gonna end up grabbing your scissors, and we're just gonna cut that heart out. You guys, comment down below if one of you that is watching this video follow me on TikTok. You see right here.
Oh guys, she has a TikTok channel, LollyTV. She's actually really good at making TikToks.
And then when you're done, you can add a little bit of some more decoration, like on the back. If you want to show this part, or if you want to show the other part, you can show the other part.
Oh, okay, it's okay.
Now I'm going in for my pink, and I'm gonna draw up the go hard. First of all, did you think I was just drawing it pink?
I did. I thought you were gonna draw it in one color, and then you stopped and like, oh, she's gonna make it a rainbow.
First of all, I forgot that I was gonna do the rainbow one. I'm like, what? Wait, why did I stop? Let's make a rainbow. I forgot that I was gonna make a rainbow. La la, I'm singing my song.
It does look. It looks like a microphone. Can you sing a song?
Why I love mommy.
I love my baby. Oh, she's still going with the colors. She's doing an actual rainbow around the rainbow heart. Very nice, very nice.
Oh, I totally forgot the feather. Feather. We're gonna grab your tape. Besides, guys, she's got the projector and I got the magic. Which one one do you think is more magical and like stuff like that? Can you guys comment us and see which one has the most magical one? I'm gonna go ahead and grab your scissors and, oh no, the tape. It's ruined my life. And now I need some more tape. Oh no, the tape! Oh no, the tape!
Okay.
Then you're just gonna place it anywhere you like.
Oh, it's gonna look cute. Can you? Oh, okay. Well, show them the heart so far. Show everybody the heart so far.
Hold on!
Don't know what's
This is
going
the
on.
heart so far.
Slow down, slow down. Look at this. This is really cute.
Look at this.
So that's what,
That's gonna grab it from me.
why are you keeping it from me?
So this is what the heart looks like. And the tape is surrounded it. And then you're
You guys, it's so cute. Stop. They can't see it if you're moving it like a crazy person.
Oh no! It's stuck on the
Stop. Just fold it over, I guess. It's too late. Everybody folded it. No, don't fold it. No.
Wait, no, I need to do something. I need to give them a little trim. And there you go. How do we put it on her shirt?
Hot glue. That is a great idea.
Hot glue! Oh no!
I actually have.
Some hot.
Whoa. I'm gonna do the hot glue part, okay? Are you coloring the tape?
Yes, it's beautiful. It's gonna get warmer.
Is it even warm?
She said it's gonna get warmer until 5,000 years.
It's taking a long time. It's not even warm. I don't know if it's even work. It's not working. Oh, it's working. Okay, let's do it.
I'm gonna hide you.
Okay.
Can we do it?
Go ahead, baby. Be nice to yourself.
Okay, now I'm gonna hide.
Oh, I love it. Oh, nice. Thank you, baby.
You want me to dry erase it?
Oh.
There we go.
Okay, now this gun is ready.
Ah!
How do you want to put this on here? Like this?
No, you're getting everything wrong. Everything wrong. Like, ouch.
Baby, you covered up the word mom. She put M-O-M and then she colored it. So now you can't see the mom
Wait,
part.
I know what to do.
Can you write this again on this side so I can turn it
No,
out?
that's not what I'm going to do.
No, that's not. No! Stop, no. She's undoing everything she just did. We're going to super glue this towards the bottom. So I just put the clip towards the bottom of the heart. And I super glued. I touched it. Okay, that's hot.
I need the tape. What was the whole reason we brought this?
Where are you going to put it on? Where?
Okay, never mind. Just forget the tape.
You can still put it on.
No, just forget it. Wait, what? Wait, are you touching it?
Kind of.
Let's see what it looks like on my mom's shirt. Look how
And that's what it looks like.
Oh!
Oh, everyone's gonna be so jealous. Thank you, baby. I really appreciate this. I'm gonna wear it for the rest of the day.
I love it so much.
Thank you, baby.
Mwah. Bye, guys. Hope you liked this video and sent us lots of comments. I told you to send comments.
Click that like button. Okay.
It's topping.
It's chopping. What? If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button so you can catch up with all her newest crafts.
I'll end this video just like this. 3, 2, 1. Dun, dun, dun.